hi, Varick. Wave.
Hello.
All right. Hey, Dave.
Hi.
Hi, Lynn.
How are ya?
Good. We're okay today. We get to be on Wazeecha. All right, Curtis, let's do this. All right, Kurt, arms straight, knees up high, just like last year.
Yep. Are you going to turn around a little bit?
Yeah, I'm gonna turn. I'm just gonna practice keeping our skis in front of us. Knocking these two hands in the handle, let your arms go straight. Even though the boat's turning, you should just be able to follow the rope. Follow the rope. Follow the rope. Knock the knees. Keep your knees straight up. Look at the trees, not your skis. Don't try standing up yet. Keep your knees in, hon. Arms straight. Both hands on the rope. Don't try skiing. We're not skiing yet. Now we go. Alright, we're out of here. We're going to keep your arms straight, follow the rope.
Ready?
Ready?
Okay. They're always sporty. Wow, it's awesome.
Just like you did last time. Alright, put your hands a little wider, a little farther apart. Yep, you can go with the other hand. Yep, there you go.
I'm a one-trick pony, if you will. I got a one-track mind with a heart that's real. And don't forget, I got tunnel vision for something much bigger than superstition. Call me hard-headed for the one that changed me. Say what you will, it will not faze me. No need for anything up my sleeve. There's just one thing that'll ever lead. Oh, you are my one and only. If I hear just one more time that I should try and be more open-minded, I think I just might scream. And the world says this is all there is, yet I believe the one who says that life after this. Now tell me how much more open can my mind be? My one and only.
Long line animal you. All right, let's do it.